Hello everyone and welcome, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix the Dstv app on your Hisense smart TV. Now I'm going to give you a comprehensive step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem or any issue you encounter with your DSTV app on your Hisense smart TV. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is an initial quick check, that is check your internet connection. Ensure that it's properly connected to a stable internet connection. You can test it by trying to use other apps that require internet access like YouTube or the browser if available. If other apps aren't working, the issue is likely with your internet. Now, if the other apps are working, what you do is you restart your TV, because a simple reset can often resolve temporary glitches. Next, you turn off your Hisense smart TV using the power button on the remote. You can also unplug the TV from the power socket, wait for about 5 minutes, then plug the TV back into the power socket and turn your TV on and try launching the DSTV app again. If it doesn't work out, clear app cache. And then after doing that, you won't know how to clear app cache. Follow the steps right here on how to clear app cache. Now, number 3, you can clear app data, but use this with caution, because if clear app cache doesn't work, you can try clearing the app data, but to reset the app to default settings and you likely need to sign in again. Just follow steps 1 and 5 above, the same steps you took for clean cache. You follow them and then you do this. Instead of choosing clear cache, choose the option for clear data. Now, if it doesn't work out, you can uninstall and reinstall the DSTV app. If it does not work, what you do next is you do a software update, yes, for your Hisense TV, because sometimes issues with specific apps can be resolved by updating their firmware or software. So once you update this firmware or software of your Hisense smart TV, it should resolve the issue. Then you can also do a factory reset, but this should be your last resort. If none of the above steps work, a factory reset can sometimes resolve persistent issues by returning your TV to its original settings. But don't forget that it's going to erase all your data settings and installed apps, and you will need to set up a TV again. So if all this don't work, the next thing you can do is you can contact DSTV support. If you have tried all the steps and the issues persist, like I said, its problem might be with the DSTV app itself or your DSTV account. So in this case, you need to contact DSTV customer support for further assistance. They may have specific troubleshooting steps or be aware of any known issues with the app on Hisense TV. By following this step, you should be able to identify and resolve most issues with DSTV app on your Hisense smart TV. Remember to try the simpler solutions first before resorting to more drastic measures like a factory reset. Thanks for watching.